Yo, this is Nash from Nashirato, guys. Okay, where we are going, soon you will know. So, I'm going to pick up Aburato at his house and go shopping. Today is Christmas. Wish you everybody a very Merry Christmas and soon Happy New Year 2021. Stay tuned. So, by the way, it's recording at the iPhone 12 Pro Max. First time you are doing vlog, what do you feel?
Then oi, traffic jam
Aiya.
want to buy headset, traffic jam in front of the.
You just say I'm going to buy headset already. I keep it suspend.
Fuck. Better delete lah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Don't forget to wear the mask. Take this one. What is that?
Razer BlackShark with V2X.
Oh, okay. How much F9. Okay ma. Oi. Now what you get? Okay. BlackShark X and then what is this?
Because buy iPhone 6,000 something, but no headphone, you know.
No headphone.
No headphone.
So you
need to buy this one, 55 ringgit.
Oh, so the headphone.
Lightning cable to audio jack converter lah.
Oh, alright. So the headphone is this one, the big one.
This one, big one.
Using on the iPhone.
Yeah.
What the fuck, man? Okay, ciao.
I know what you are thinking, bro. People usually buy the lightning earphone for 99 ringgit for iPhone. But I'm not that cheap.
Oh, so you want to use the big one lah?
Yeah, I want to use the big one, very comfortable one.
Oh.
That's why I spend. Don't think I'm stupid to spend 280 plus for the big headset and 55 ringgit for the converter.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you like big because you're big.
What?